Hi everyone, in this video I'll be discussing engine pallet failure. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. Well, engine pallet failure. I brought the engine home in an enclosed trailer, and when I went to open the back door and start unloading the engine, the mini pallet they provided failed. And the end piece cracked and the engine dropped down 2 inches and tilted to the side. Now I had it all strapped up and tied down and all that stuff, but when that pallet failed, it was enough movement that everything kind of got loose and was kind of laying on the headers a little bit. Just another haunting of this purchasing of this engine, but this thing is a solid mass of all sorts of metals and should be okay. So next time if I see this regular pallet, I will reinforce the pallet with some extra wood to make sure it can handle all the bumps that I'm going over, which at this point would be maybe the bumps when you hit a highway bridge, because there's really no other bumps on a highway that would cause something like this. Unless it just failed anyways from the engine being moved. So to get ready and bringing home the engine, I bought a few tools from Harbor Freight. I got the 2-ton engine hoist and the 1-ton engine stand. I also had to buy the load leveler separately. In fact, I returned the first one I got and got a second one since the first one was not long enough to reach the front and the back of the engine. I will say it is a little scary moving a 500-pound item from the enclosed trailer with only 1 or 2 people. You know, never doing it before and having back issues, I ended up calling a friend, especially since the engine was tilted from the failed pallet. So the next steps is to tear everything down, keep it in order, and evaluate. And I wish I had more to talk about it, but I've never done this, so we're just gonna see how it goes and let this all play out. So till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons and have a great day.